everyone, I'm Lavanya Bhatia, a student of grade 7 studying in GoldenBee Global with Vidya High BTM campus.
Hi everyone, my name is Sparsh. I study in grade 8A of GoldenBee Global School with Vidya High BTM campus.
Hi Sparsh, do you know there are many auspicious dates? And one of them is such Teachers' Day, which is celebrated across the globe. But I wonder why on that date only Teachers' Day is celebrated.
Teachers' Day is celebrated as a mark of tribute to the contribution of teachers to the society and the nation. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 5th. September 5th marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India and he was a great teacher. That's why 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day.
How interesting that sounds! I love all my teachers who helped me to shape me. But I wonder that what makes the teaching noble profession?
Teaching is considered the noblest profession all over society as it contributes to a greater educated population all over the world. A greater educated population contributes to the development of a country. So, for a country to be economically successful, it must be home to well-educated citizens who have proper guidance and visions.
It's so beautiful a thought to nurture the idea of their contribution to our society. They shape our mind, they build our today and tomorrow.
Their contributions can't be neglected. They should be respected at least once a year. That's why Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on 5th of September to acknowledge their contributions in our lives.
I once read this article on Teachers' Day by our PM Narendra Modi. It gives such zeal to believe that it is a teacher who shaped so many professions.
Unbelievably true. Our PM has even said that the teaching is not a profession, but it is a way of life, a Jivan Dharma. He also said that our India should regain the status of Vishwaguru by giving high respect to teachers.
I still remember Niveta ma'am holding my tiny hands and accepting me with such love. Do you remember Sparsh?
I remember her pretty well. She was one of my favorite teachers as well. She was a true inspiration. She taught me many life lessons and instilled so many moral values in me.
So many teachers walked through our path in our life. It is so heartfelt feeling. Now who comes in your mind, Sparsh?
Prasunika ma'am comes to my mind. She was such a kind, caring and gentle teacher. She was just like a mother to me. She gave me that motherly feeling. Whenever I approached her, she always smiled and she answered all my doubts. She was really a great teacher.
As they say that we have galaxy of students, but I feel that we have universe of teachers who gave their precious time and guidance to build us what we are today.
Right, but yet they don't get the appreciation and gratitude that they deserve. They deserve a lot of respect and recognition. That is the only reason we celebrate Teachers' Day, to appreciate our teachers and thank them for what they have done for us.
How do teachers feel this magic?
Our teachers always have that smile on their face, due to which we see them and we feel happy, we get happy. They never get furious on us. We ask them hundreds of doubts every day, but they rectify each of our mistake and answer each of our doubt. I think that is how they spill their magic. That is how they win the hearts of the students. We wish all our teachers a happy Teachers' Day.
ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರಿ, ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಹಠ, ಶಿಸ್ತು ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸುವ ಮತ್ತು ಬದುಕನ್ನು ರೂಪುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಕಾಂಕ್ಷೆಗಳು.
मैं याना GoldenBee ग्लोबल BTM से कक्षा 4 की छात्रा हूँ। साक्षर हमें बनाते हैं, जीवन क्या है समझाते हैं। जब गिरते हैं हम हार कर तो साहस वही बढ़ाते हैं। ऐसे महान व्यक्ति ही तो शिक्षक गुरु कहलाते हैं। आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। I am Samita from GoldenBee Global with Vidya High. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. This marks the birthday of our second president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. I wish all my beloved teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
I am Mohammad Zayan from GoldenBee Global with Vidya High. I wish all my dear teachers a very happy
Teachers Day.
GoldenBee Global, the bee hive of learning.